Here's how to create a smooth pan and zoom effect on images in Canva. Open Canva and create a new presentation design. Go to the Elements tab and add your background image to the first page. Now duplicate that image on the same page. Take the duplicate and make it smaller. Set its transparency to 0 and send it to the back. This invisible smaller version acts as an anchor point that tells Canva where the animation should start or end. Now press Ctrl-A to select all elements on the page and group them together. This makes everything move as one unit for a smooth effect. Duplicate the entire page. On the new page, zoom into a specific area of the image by enlarging the group or repositioning it to shift focus to a different part of the image. Duplicate the page again and pan to another area or adjust the zoom level to create a third movement point. Keep duplicating pages and making subtle position and size adjustments. Each page is a new zoom or pan stop in your animation. When you are done, click play to preview. Canva animates smoothly between each page, creating a natural pan and zoom effect. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.